This guide will walk you through fix the 80072EFE update error in Windows 7 OS. The Windows Update Error code 80072EFE may appear either after a clean install of Windows 7 or after checking for the latest updates. Access the link. Download patch KB 3138612 for Windows 7. There are two patches KB 3138612 for Windows 7. Update for Windows 7 for x64 based systems KB 3138612 for Windows 7 to 64-bit. Update for Windows 7 KB 3138612 for Windows 7 to 32-bit. Run the KB 3138612 patch installation. Finally, restart the computer to see if the computer has been fixed.